In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Microsoft Outlook using Google Chrome. Whether you're dealing with a crucial email or simply trying to streamline your workflow, mastering the art of copy and paste within your Outlook web app is essential. So let's dive in and make this process as clear and efficient as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Outlook through your preferred web browser, which in this case is Google Chrome. Simply navigate to the Outlook web app by typing in the URL https://outlook.office.com. This will bring you straight to the login page if you're not already signed in, prompting you to access your emails directly from the browser without any need for additional applications. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to compose a new email. For this, locate and click on the New Mail button, typically found on the left sidebar of the Outlook interface. This will open a blank email template or compose window where we're going to paste the content shortly. Now, let's go to the source of the content you wish to copy. Whether it's a snippet from a web page, a detailed paragraph from a document, or text from another email, locate precisely what you'd like to transfer into your new email draft. When you have identified the text, hover your cursor over it and click and drag to highlight the entire section. After selecting the desired text, it's time to copy it. You can do so by pressing the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously on your keyboard. You might already be familiar with this shortcut, as it's widely used across different programs and systems. This action takes the highlighted section and temporarily stores it within your clipboard, allowing you to place it elsewhere. Next, head over to your Outlook window where you initiated the new email draft. Click once inside the email body. This indicates to the system that you'd like the text to appear at this location. Once the cursor is active in this text box, you're all set to paste. Finally, to paste the copied text, press the Ctrl and V keys together on your keyboard. Like magic, the content from your clipboard will seamlessly transfer into the email body where your cursor was last placed. Remember, before sending your email, take a moment to format the text as necessary, perhaps adjusting font size or color to ensure clarity for your recipient. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to copy and paste content directly into an email using Microsoft Outlook in Google Chrome. This skill not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures that you're working as efficiently as possible, eliminating the need for any unnecessary retyping or potential errors. Thank you for joining me in this quick yet essential tutorial, and I hope you find this newfound capability immensely useful.